LGAC error codes explained, how to fix each one. LGAC error codes signal issues like sensor faults. CH01, communication failures, CH05, or compressor problems. CH21, often fixed by basic resets or cleaning but sometimes requiring professional help for wiring, refrigerant, or component replacement. Common steps include unplugging the unit for a reset, checking, cleaning filters, and clearing drain lines, but complex codes like CH21 or CH38 need a technician for pressure or electrical checks. Common LGAC error codes and fixes. CH01, indoor temp sensor, short, open circuit. Unplug, check sensor connection, damage. CH02, indoor humidity sensor, reset AC by power cycling, may need sensor check. CH03, P2, FL, drain issue, drain pump error or full pan. Clear drain pipe, pan. CH05, communication, indoor-outdoor unit communication fault. Check, tighten wiring. CH10, fan motor issue. Check for obstructions, clean, ensure free movement. CH21, compressor lock, overcurrent, IPM fault. Needs technician for compressor, PCB checks. CH34, high temp, high discharge temp, pressure. Turn off to cool down, may need pro. CH38, low refrigerant, pressure. Call a technician. CH45, mid-coil sensor, outdoor mid-condenser coil sensor error. CH53, indoor board comms, indoor board communication error. E1, refrigerant leak, inefficient cooling. Contact technician. Basic troubleshooting steps. Try first, reset. Turn off the power at the breaker for 5 minutes, then restart. Clean filters. Wash or replace air filters every few weeks. Check drainage. Ensure drain pipes are clear and the pan isn't full. When to call a professional. Codes like CH21, CH38, or sensor, communication errors, CH05, CH10, that persist after basic resets often indicate serious issues with compressors, PCBs, or refrigerant lines, requiring a qualified HVAC technician. How to remove message, auto clean. Press the function button on the remote until auto clean blinks. Press the set, cancel button to turn it off. The unit will shut down.